Hey guys, it's Greg from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're here to go over the engine and transmission mount set for the Honda Civic 2001 to 2005 1.7 liter with automatic transmission. So this kit includes the four mounts for the engine and transmission on the Civic. It includes the two engine mounts, the two transmission mounts. These mounts, they're all a direct replacement for the factory. So you're simply going to want to undo the factory bolts, remove the factory mount, and these will all install in reverse order on your vehicle. So I just want to give you a quick little view of each of the mounts. Now, when you're actually installing these mounts on the vehicle, you want to make sure you're supporting the engine as you're removing them. Because what's going to happen is if you're not properly supporting the engine, like there's a bolt that actually goes through this mount to the motor. And if you're actually not supporting that, you're going to get the bolt about halfway out. And then the motor is going to kind of drop a little bit, and it's going to lock that bolt inside the factory mount. So you want to make sure the mount's supported. When you go to remove the bolts through the center of the mounts here on all these mounts, you want to make sure it's supported, and that once the factory nut is removed from the bolt, you should be able to pretty much grab the bolt and easily pull it out or move it with a pry bar. And if you can't, you either have the motor raised up too much, meaning you're supporting it too much, or if it's kind of, if it's in the other direction, you don't have the motor supported enough and you need to raise it up slightly to kind of take that load off when you're pulling out the bolt. If you guys have any questions about the installation of these mounts or if they're the right mount for your vehicle, please feel free to reach out to us and we'll be glad to help.